How's it going, everyone? This is an unboxing and review of the Nexar Beam Dashcam. Alright, so my initial impression of the packaging is that it's a lot like unboxing a new Apple product. It's pretty clean looking, and when you first open the box, you're greeted with the view of the camera and a nice little "Welcome to Nexar, let's get started" message. And then you can pull the camera out with the two little paper tabs there. And under the camera you see another message saying to download the Nexar app and that everything else you'll need is inside this envelope, and in that envelope you get 4 cards, the first 3 labeled 1 through 3, and then the last card is just like a little information card with their social media and other info on it. And then under that you have another box with all of the installation hardware that you're going to need to set up the camera. So if you open up the hardware box, you'll see the suction cup to mount the camera to the windshield, and a pry tool or trim removal tool to help you hide the camera cable behind trim pieces, and obviously the cable itself is in there. And you have a 12-volt USB outlet, and then you have these little sticky cable clips that'll help you route the cable throughout your vehicle. So the camera itself is super compact and lightweight, and it comes with a 32GB micro SD memory card to store the videos on the camera itself. But in addition to that, and this was the main selling point for me, it actually comes with unlimited cloud storage through the Nexar app. So you literally have unlimited storage, and you won't ever have to worry about going back and deleting old videos to clear space or anything like that. The Nexar Beam records nice full HD 1080p video that looks clear both in the daytime and at night, and overall works really well for a $70 camera. This is the Nexar app that stores all of your clips and your full drives and all your videos, and you can go in and take clips from all of those full drives or delete videos if you feel like it. And if you click on one of those full drive videos, it'll actually show you the whole route that you took, and it does this by using the GPS on your phone, and you actually have to have your phone on you for the Nexar to actually record video, so it knows when to start and stop recording. I definitely recommend the Nexar Beam for anyone who's looking for a cost-effective way to record their drives. So feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.